here. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have my May update for I Heart the 90s. This was created by Laura, and it is a Fantastic Ladies collab. It started January 1st and it goes through December 31st of 2022. So, it's prompt based. You choose how many, or 8 to 10 products based on the prompts. So, I have met my goal in 3. I haven't used 2, so let's go through the list. So, excuse me, my numbers are not going to match up with hers because I put mine in a spreadsheet. But let's start with the very first prompt. That is the Mascara, a Latin-owned brand. I brought in this. This is the It's a 10 Leave-In Conditioner. It weighed 173 last update. It's now at 157. I don't use this, I don't use this on the days I use a hair mask, etc. So it doesn't get a whole bunch of use, but on the days where I need it, I use it. So my goal is to finish this. I still think I'm about halfway, but it's a really nice product, but I prefer the ones from Garnier better. So that was in to finish. Next is Thelma and Louise, a duo product, and I brought in this. This is the Tartist eyeliner. I am working on the liquid side. This is still going and going and going and going and going. I have no idea when this will finish. I didn't wait when we started. We're just going to keep on keeping on with this. So goal is to finish, but it is still kicking around. Next, we have Jurassic Park, an oldest product, and I brought in this. This is the BH Cosmetics highlighter palette. And I brought this in for 20 uses. Last update, I had used it 14 times. I've used it 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 more times. And this is goal met. This is a really beautiful palette. And if the pans weren't so gosh darn big, I would try to pan them. But 39 grams divided by 6, that's a lot of grams. So I get the most use out of this one, and then I mix it with these two sometimes. So I don't have it on today, but it's a really pretty highlighter palette. Definitely one that I'm going to keep in my collection. And I hope to pan it someday. So that is one that is done. Next, the 6th Sense, a product that surprised you. That is the Wet n Wild lipstick that I have not used. I have a feeling I probably won't use that again until like the fall, winter, because it's such a cool toned, like purpley mauve color. Next, the Lion King, a black owned brand. I brought in this. This is the Glam Light Red Velvet Cupcake palette, and I had brought in Dazzling to hit pan, and I did. Like I said, these are pretty easy to hit pan. Hopefully you can see that. I ended up using this 7 times to hit pan. It's a really beautiful color. Really, really beautiful. I'm actually tempted to pan this palette. So that's it right there. Isn't it just so pretty? Oh, I love it. So this is a goal met. Next, we have Friends. A product you took a break from using, then got back into it. Can be a type of product or a specific product. I had brought in this. This is the Dream Booster Drops by Beekman. This is the retinol alternative. I love it. I've already started the other one. So I used this up. And like I said, I think I started this last November. I wrote the date I started it on this. So it was 4/22 of 22. So we'll see just how long that lasts. But this is an empty. Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog. We got ears. It's time for cheers. Next, I have the Simpson. This was a product in yellow packaging. I had brought in this. This is the MAC Magic Extension Mascara. I actually really, really like this. I have used this 16 times. I really like the wand. I don't know about the fibers, but the wand is just so good. It smells like vinegar. It smells like vinegar, so it's hard to put. I can't put it anywhere near my nose, but I actually really do enjoy the mascara. So I've used this 16 times. It's not done, and we're going to keep on keeping on. Next is Beanie Babies, a product that reminds you of your favorite Beanie Baby. I like Flutter Flutter, which was the pretty pastel butterfly, so I brought in this. This is the Vanny Mariposa single. This is the swatch of it. My goal is to hit pan in this. I've used it 4 times. Again, I mentioned in the update, that's probably going to get the most use this fall and winter. Next, Bop It, a product with packaging that twists, pumps, or pulls. This is the No Pore Bloom Primer. I can't make a new mark. I've used it a couple of times. I'm just got to use this. I'm gonna have to find a different use for it because it's not working on my face like I hoped it would, but I'll figure it out. It is hydrating, and it does, does this one have the scent? Yeah, it doesn't have a bad scent, so I may end up using this on my body or something like that. But this will be an empty next time because I'm going to repurpose it. Next, we have Butterfly Clips, a product with cute packaging. I mentioned that I had the Bear one of these, but I'm going to pass it along. So this is the Misha BB Cream. I have used this, where are we? Where is it? Oh, that's right, I have it on the wrong product. I have used this, it shows once. I've used it 2 or 3 times since the last update. I can't really see through it, and I didn't weigh it. There's a really big air bubble. I've used this several times. The other day I kind of put this on top of something else that was looking a little rough, but I really like it. So this is in the finish. I probably should weigh it. I'll take that under advisement. Next, we have Surge, a green product packaging. That's this. This is the Matrix Clean Reset Clarifying Shampoo. This was $2.79 last update. It's now $2.24. I mentioned I only use this once a week. I actually use this today. So, yeah. And then last but not least is Dunkaroos, a food themed product, and I had brought in this. This is the Pharmacy Honey Grill Face Oil. I haven't used this at all. I'm going to be using this as a primer with a couple of matte foundations, but I'm trying to get through a different foundation first. So once that foundation is done, I will move on to using this and the other foundations, and we'll get some use on them. So since we had 3 goals met, I believe, right? Yeah, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's roll in 3 new prompts. So again, my numbers are different. So 1, 2, 3. Got 1 through 14. Let's see how we do. 6. 1. 10. 1 is a wannabe, a product that reminds you of your best friend. Beverly Hills 90210, your most expensive product. 10, I'm going to actually re-roll that because that is, I have a body wash slated for that, and I am already working on 10. So let's do a different one. 14 is the last one. Inflatable furniture, a lightweight, airy product. Okay, let me go find these, and I will be right back. Okay, so let's start with the first one, which was Wannabe, a product that reminds you of your best friend. When I initially introduced these at the beginning of the project, I mentioned that my best friend had worked in a hotel as a maid for a week. And so I'm going to be using up these. We have these 4 lotions that we brought home from various different hotels. So my goal is going to be to use these up. I'll probably have half of them done by the next time I see you. I can't promise I'll have all of them done. Next was Beverly Hills 90210, my most expensive product. I have this. This is the Honeymoon Glow for Pharmacy. However, I'm currently working on this one in Fantasy, I think. I'm just about done. Like, I'm down here. So I don't know that this will start yet, but I'll go ahead and bring it in just in case it does. And my goal will be to finish it. And then last but not least is inflatable furniture, a lightweight or airy product. I'm going to bring in this. Courtney gifted me some Tatcha items, and this is the Tatcha water cream, and it looks very light and airy. A light scent. My goal will, of course, be to finish this. I will try to remember to weigh it. Oh no, I can't fall in love with something that's this expensive. I already love the Clinique one too much. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, that looks a little blurry. I may have to try that under my eyes. So yeah, that's it. Anything gonna be done next month? Maybe. This for sure. The mascara for sure. I honestly think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Don't forget to check out everybody who is doing this project. You can do that by using the hashtag or the list that's in the description box down below. Let me know how you're doing with this project. I'm having so much fun. Between this project and DJ Rhett on Facebook that keeps posting songs that are 25, 35, 40 years old in 2022, I've had some trips down memory lane for sure. But that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing and leaving a comment. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I'm inching closer to 1,000 followers, I guess is what they're called over there. But anyway, I love your faces. I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. If you're interested, the song of the day is Nobody by Sylvia. You're nobody called today. She hung up when I asked her name. Well, I wonder, does she think she's being clever? That song is stuck in my head today.